Alrighty, so here we are. Got our floors finished. From what they were, it's a heck of an improvement. Like I said before, we had some difficulty figuring out the best method to get these to connect because they were not a very easy angle connect. So we had to use some manual manipulation in order to get the side pieces to connect. They were fully acclimatized. We had so much problems with them that we just beat the crap out of them and ultimately got them to fit. I don't know if you can see in our video here. Hey you, hey you, hey you, Stormy, hey you, say hello, say hello. This is our new addition. His name is Stormy. He is a purebred Siberian Husky, and this is his debut. And he's definitely a howler. He's definitely a howler. Anyway, the youngest wanted to name him Bob, so he is officially registered as Stormin' Bobby, but we call him Stormy for short. Stormy Bob. Anyway, so the floors turned out nice. We wanted the seam look, so that's why you see the seams the way they are. But it definitely took a lot longer than I expected to do. 600 some square feet. It took us about 2 weekends and part-time during the week when I had the opportunity. And this is what we were left with. So we looks like we got some dog pee on the floor. We got to get that cleaned up. Anyway, like I said, we like them. They're nice. They're definitely nicer than the bamboo that we had. And it's a lot quieter downstairs. So, alright, well, on to the next.